Maestra La Luz, por favor.
My name is Erika and the name of my friend is Marlon. Adaptation of animal art. Concept of adaptation. The process by which the body is becoming apt to survive in certain environments. Skins passed from generation to generation to inherit characteristics that increase the survivability of individuals under severe environmental conditions. I talk little about the Arctic fox. The Arctic fox, Alopus lagopus, also called white fox or snowfox, is a small hornet that inhabits urine along and across tundra, usually in laderas. Its main food consists of small mammals and birds, but their favorite prey is the lemming. The Arctic fox has small ears, and then the lake is possible to survive and hunt in extreme temperatures down to 50 degrees Celsius in the summer. Is a long-haired white layer change on the other gray brown for over photo.
Different animals have different body structures and behaviors that help them to survive in a particular environment. We are going to look at the camel, giraffe, and the penguin to see the features of their bodies that help them live in their specific habitat. First, we will look at the camel. This mammal resides in the hot desert where sand blooms everywhere. Luckily, they have double rows of extra long eyelashes and thick eyebrows that help keep sand out of their eyes. They also have the ability to close their nostrils to keep the sand out. It is a misconception that camels' humps are full of water. The humps actually store fat that can be metabolized as a source of energy. The tan color of a camel's coat allows them to blend into their environment. The giraffe makes its home in the savanna, which is the grassland scattered with trees. Its neck is around 6 feet long, which is perfect for eating leaves from the tall treetops. A giraffe's tongue is long and tough, which protects it against thorns when feeding. The spotted coat of the giraffe is for camouflage. This giraffe could be easily mistaken for a tree. The Antarctic region is home to the penguin. It is extremely cold here, and the water temperatures never rise above freezing. Penguins have to keep high body temperatures to remain active. They have thick skin and lots of fat called blubber under their skin to keep warm in the cold weather. The dark-colored feathers of their back surface absorb heat from the sun, which also helps keep them warm. Penguins have webbed feet for powerful swimming. Their bodies are streamlined to reduce drag in the water. A penguin's bones are solid and heavy, which allow them to stay underwater. Their wings, shaped like flippers, help them to swim at speeds up to 15 miles per hour. The camel, giraffe, and penguin all live in different habitats and have different body adaptations and behaviors that allow them to survive and thrive in their environment.
Here is a maqueta. This is the Arctic fox in winter. The color of winter is white, and this is the Arctic fox in summer. The color of the fox is brown. Thank you. Thank you.